In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Crypto.com customer support. Whether you're having an issue with your account or just need some guidance, getting in touch with customer service is a crucial step. To make this process as easy and seamless as possible, I'm going to walk you through each step, sharing tips and insights along the way. Let's start by opening your Crypto.com application. Once you're in, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the app's interface. This will make the process feel more intuitive. Look towards the upper left-hand corner of your screen, and you should see an icon with 3 lines, commonly known as the hamburger icon. This is your gateway to the main menu, containing various settings and options you might need for different situations. Give that a tap and you'll see the menu slide open. Next, take a moment to scroll through the options presented. No need to rush through this, it's designed to give you access to all the features and settings available. Once you've reached the bottom of this menu list, look for an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and select that. It's always a good idea to understand which settings are available, as they can often help tailor and enhance your app experience. Now, from within the Settings menu, you'll want to find and click on the Support button. This takes you to a dedicated support section of the application, specifically aimed at helping resolve any issues you might encounter. A nice feature of the Crypto.com support system is its comprehensive range of options addressing various common inquiries and concerns. Once you're in the support section, look for the Help Support button. This is your direct link to the assistance you need. Clicking this will redirect you to a forum of predefined support categories. It's arranged to streamline your search for help, allowing you to efficiently identify the support category that aligns with your current needs or concerns. As you navigate through these options, feel free to explore. Each section provides targeted help topics, and you're likely to find the answers you're looking for. If your inquiry seems a bit more complex or if you're not finding satisfactory solutions, look for the option to contact their live chat or submit a support ticket. Often, talking directly to a support representative or sending a detailed message can expedite finding a resolution. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any account concerns or obtaining additional help from Crypto.com's customer support. This process not only enhances your user experience, but also ensures you get the most out of your Crypto.com application. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips on navigating crypto-related applications.